Buying a used car can be an exciting and cost-effective way to get behind the wheel of a vehicle that suits your needs and budget. However, it's a process that requires careful planning, research, and decision-making. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the essential steps to buy a used car successfully, ensuring you make an informed and satisfying purchase. 1. Determine your budget. The first step in buying a used car is setting a realistic budget. Consider not only the purchase price but also the ongoing costs of ownership, such as insurance, fuel, maintenance, and registration fees. A good rule of thumb is that your car payment should not exceed 15% of your monthly income. 1. Research the market. Before you start shopping, research the used car market to get a sense of what's available within your budget. Websites like AutoTrader, Craigslist, and Cars.com are excellent resources to explore a wide range of used cars in your area. You can also visit local dealerships and browse classified ads in newspapers. 1. Identify your needs. Determine what you need from a used car. Consider factors like the size of the vehicle, its fuel efficiency, safety features, and any specific requirements you might have. Make a list of must-have features and prioritize them to help you narrow down your options. 1. Check vehicle history reports. Once you find a used car you're interested in, obtain a vehicle history report. Services like Carfax or AutoCheck can provide you with important information about the car's past, including accident history, title status, and maintenance records. This report can help you make an informed decision and avoid potential hidden issues. 1. Set up a test drive. Never skip the test drive. It's crucial to get behind the wheel and experience how the car drives. Pay attention to how it handles, accelerates, and brakes. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for warning lights on the dashboard. If possible, drive the car in various road conditions to get a better feel for it. 1. Get a pre-purchase inspection. Even if the test drive goes well, it's wise to have a trusted mechanic inspect the car before finalizing the purchase. They can identify any underlying issues that may not be immediately apparent, giving you peace of mind and potentially saving you from costly repairs down the road. 1. Negotiate the price. Don't hesitate to negotiate the price with the seller. Research the car's market value and use it as a basis for your negotiations. Be prepared to walk away if the seller isn't willing to meet your terms. Remember that buying a used car is a negotiation process, and you have the right to secure a fair deal. 1. Check the vehicle's title. Ensure the vehicle's title is clear and in the seller's name. Be cautious of any red flags, such as a salvage title or signs of title fraud. Verify that the VIN, vehicle identification number, on the title matches the one on the car. 1. Review the vehicle's maintenance records. If the seller has kept maintenance records, review them to see how well the car has been cared for. Regular maintenance is a good sign of a well-maintained vehicle. Look for evidence of major repairs or recurring issues that may require attention. 1. Consider a vehicle history report. In addition to the vehicle history report, consider running a VIN check through the National Motor Vehicle Title Information System, NMVTIS. This database provides additional information about a vehicle's history, including title status, mileage, and previous owners. 1. Determine ownership costs. Calculate the total cost of ownership for the used car you're interested in. This includes insurance, fuel, taxes, registration fees, and maintenance. Knowing these costs up front will help you budget for the long term. 1. Secure financing. If you need financing to purchase the used car, shop around for the best interest rates and loan terms. You can obtain financing through a bank, credit union, or even the dealership itself. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the loan agreement before signing. 1. Consider a vehicle history report. In addition to the vehicle history report, consider running a VIN check through the National Motor Vehicle Title Information System, NMVTIS. This database provides additional information about a vehicle's history, including title status, mileage, and previous owners. 1. Test drive the vehicle. Before making a final decision, take the car for a test drive. Pay attention to how it handles, accelerates, and brakes. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for warning lights on the dashboard. Drive it on different types of roads to get a comprehensive feel for the vehicle. 1. Have the car inspected by a mechanic. Even if the seller claims the car is in excellent condition, it's a good idea to have an independent mechanic inspect it. A professional inspection can reveal hidden issues that may not be apparent during a test drive. 1. Negotiate the price. Negotiating the price is a common part of buying a used car. Research the car's market value and be prepared to make a reasonable offer. Don't be afraid to walk away if the seller is unwilling to meet your price. 1. Review the vehicle's title. Ensure that the vehicle's title is clean and in the seller's name. Verify that the VIN on the title matches the one on the car. Be wary of any signs of title fraud or discrepancies. 1. Finalize the sale. Once you and the seller agree on a price, you'll need to complete the paperwork. Make sure you get a bill of sale that includes all the relevant details, including the sale price, VIN, and both parties' information. You'll also need to transfer the title into your name and pay any applicable taxes and fees. 1. Consider a warranty. Many used cars are sold as is, meaning there is no warranty. However, some dealerships and private sellers offer extended warranties or certified pre-owned programs. Consider whether purchasing a warranty is worth the added cost for peace of mind. 1. Complete the transaction. After you've reviewed all the paperwork, ensure you have the keys, owner's manual, and any spare parts or accessories that come with the car. Make sure the seller provides you with all the necessary documents to register the vehicle in your name. Conclusion. Buying a used car is a significant decision, and it's essential to approach it with caution and diligence. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide, you can increase your chances of making a wise and satisfying purchase.